welcome to another day. Now we're on day
5.
So 5 days to go till we disappear from this country. What have you done today?
Almost nothing.
Almost nothing, that's right. So before we get on with today's show, I would like to just address a couple of comments that we've had from people with regards to our videos. So we've had one from a user called Belinda.
Malaria isn't in Dominican.
That's what she says. Malaria is not in the Dominican.
See?
But why did you tell everybody it was?
I thought so.
Well, you can't be giving the world wrong information, can you?
I'm sorry, guys. Spam in comments below. I forgive you.
So hopefully you'll forgive him, okay?
PLS.
But she did say they do get malaria a little bit, but also dengue fever.
Yes, dengue fever.
What is dengue fever?
Well, it says fever carried by mosquitoes from the dengue virus, and it can cause vomiting and headache, high fever, stuff like that.
I don't want dengue fever. Do you?
No.
No, I don't want dengue fever. So we're still going to take the mosquito repellent and get rid of those mosquitoes. Deal? Okay, so we put that one to bed. Thanks for your comments. And we again apologise for Reiss's misinformation.
I shall punish myself.
Okay, punishment accepted. Right, so we've got a comment from DavyBoy195.
Davy boy!
It says, "You look knackered, Ben."
You do have to work.
Well, there you go. Because I've worked, I am tired. So there's your explanation. I do thank you for your concern. Some of us can't nap all day, you know, DavyBoy195. And also, because you gave that comment, I went down to the barber's today and had my first hot towel shave, which was an experience. So thanks for that. I didn't have my camera, so I didn't record it. But it was good. And hopefully, in the comments, you will say, I look fresh.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, so we put those to bed now. Feel free to comment about anything else. Let's move on. So today we're going to talk about tech. What tech are we going to take with us so we can capture our holiday in full?
It's called a plug.
A plug. That is the basis for all technology. Why is it?
Well, it charges stuff.
Exactly, it charges. So we have a universal plug. We've got US, UK, and Europe. So we've got a couple of those. So that'll keep us going, won't it?
Yes, and just to tell you, by him saying universal, he doesn't actually mean around the whole universe. That'll just be ridiculous.
Yeah, okay. Thanks for the clarity on that one. Moving on, what's next?
It's a box with lights.
Wow, a box with lights. Thank you. Looks like it should have a ring in it. Will you marry me?
No.
No, it's actually just to recharge our microphones, as you can see, is displayed here. Reiss is showing what we've got, little microphones.
Put in comments below if you saw it at the start of our video.
So, what else we're taking then? So we've got our mics, our plug, anything else?
It's a box camera.
Yeah, very good. This is the DJI Action 2.
Another box camera.
So we've got 2 of these. So they're just little cameras. Waterproof, which is very good. And they are very discreet, which is good as well. And they basically just magnetic, so you can stick them there.
Not actually.
On your chest as well.
Magnet.
So we have some accessories for this camera.
A magnet.
A magnet. So this actually clips on to this. Like that. And that slaps onto a...
hand.
No, that's magnet. This isn't metal.
I'm joking.
It goes onto a car, doesn't it? This is a...
stick.
Stick. Now what do we use this stick for, eh?
Bashing people's heads.
That's right, it's to ward off those robbers, for one. And also, we can put our camera on it. So it becomes a selfie stick. Because obviously with a family of 5, you're going to want to take good photos or videos. So we can extend it and just reach and just get us all in. Smile. Brilliant. So that's that. So what else we got? What's next? What do we have next?
Our pet drone, Atom.
Atom. I like it. So what does this do?
It flies, taking pictures and videos.
Yep. So we get those good, awesome aerial shots that we all love.
Yes.
Yeah. Good, good. So we've got that, and I've also got a backup of that in case it gets nicked or crashes. Good stuff. And
Into a tree.
Into a tree or something else. Into a plane, birds.
Why birds?
Well, sometimes
Not
birds.
him, birds.
Sometimes birds attack the drone because they think it's a different bird.
True.
True. True story. So while we've got all this tech in front of us, give us a technology fact.
Did you know that each 256 gigabytes is 2.048 trillion bits?
Whoa, that's a lot of bits.
Well, bits are tremendously small.
How
Piece of
small?
storage.
What, like, so that small?
No. Wait.
Smaller?
Smaller. I don't know how small.
Oh, okay. So they're small. Well, thanks for that fact.
They're
And
too
whatever you
small.
do, don't Google that to say that it's true or false. It's just a fact, isn't it? Reiss has said it, so therefore it is.
It is true.
There we go. Good. So, give us one more fact about New York, and then we'll call it a day.
Actually, I've got two facts.
What?
Did you know that New York's nickname is the Big Apple? And
Yep, I knew that.
And New York is about 399 years old.
Oh.
It got founded in the 16th century.
Oh, wow, that's a good fact. That so it's not actually that old, is it? It's older than me and you, but it's not that old for a city.
It's like 4 centuries old.
I know. So there we go. Great fact. So tomorrow, guess what day is tomorrow?
The 4th day to go.
4 days to go. Now, guess
No.
what else I'm doing tomorrow?
What?
My last day of work. Join us to see just how awesome I feel tomorrow. See you
Okay.
later, guys. Adios.
See you, y'all.